How to make jewelry trinket trick. Knead clay before shaping them. If there is cracking on the surface, add water to using craft paper to shape clay. Wet the craft paper so that the surface where the craft paper meets the clay does not crack. Pay attention to adjust the arc. The radius should not be too large, and add water to smooth the surface. Choose your favorite letter mold and press it on the clay surface. Let it dry 2 days. Dry naturally in the shade. Using a sanding pad for sanding the surface. Color when the clay is completely dry. Acrylic material characteristics will form a layer of film on the surface of the clay. Do not touch the surface until the paint has dried 2 hours. Coating process. Apply an even coat of acrylic flow medium. It takes a day to dry. The coating part will be lighter in color.